Smart Krone. Audio capture hardware. Operational summary. The Smart Krone hardware continuously samples analog voice channels and streams them over a network. The Smart Krones are low-powered devices that provide configurable gain, sample rates, and encoding to exactly meet the customer's quality, compression, live monitoring, and storage requirements. All Smart Krones enable the real-time, lossless capture of analog audio without any impact on the channel that is being recorded. Intended for safety-related and safety-critical applications, the hardware design supports single or dual redundant installation. The hardware solution is modular and fully scalable, so it will support the recording of small sites with less than 24 channels using a single Smart Krone as easily as large sites where multiple Smart Krones are used. The units are small, self-contained and designed for continuous 24/7 operation, so they are also readily deployed for rugged military applications. Operating features. Audio connection. Up to 24 analog audio channels can be recorded by each Smart Krone. Smart Krone makes a parallel connection to each audio line with a high impedance termination that ensures the Smart Krone is independent from and has no impact on any audio channel that is being recorded. An integrated punch-down block is fitted to provide simple and reliable wiring connections for each audio channel. The punch-down block uses bridging clips to make or break each line pair, as required for maintenance of the customer equipment. Depending on the application, these bridging clips can also provide lightning and overvoltage protection, in addition to simple isolation. Capture and streaming. All audio inputs are sampled at 16 kHz and initially converted to PCM16 format data packets, which each carry 20 milliseconds of audio for a single channel. Subsequently, there are 5 output modes available to the user. Mode 1 has the highest fidelity and streams PCM16 data packets directly onto the network. Mode 2 reduces the PCM bit depth from 16-bit to 8-bit, which has the packet size for a minor reduction in fidelity. Mode 3 applies the G711 ALA codec. Mode 4 applies the G711 MULA codec. Mode 5 adds a wrapper to the selected output format that configures the data for streaming in RTP packets that are compatible with generic media players and voice over IP systems. The network output of the Smart Krone is a 10100 base network in UDP, IPv4. The data packets are sent to the same destination IP address, but each packet has a unique UDP port number for ease of handling by the destination system. Daily checks. The Smart Krone also enables real-time listening to any audio channel using a headset at the Smart Krone or directly from the network at a remote location. The Smart Krone also provides a test tone output from ports 49 and 50 that can be used a line probe when testing or setting up the input channels.
Lufthansa 8 Romeo Juliet, rate of climb 1000 feet per minute or less.
Safety features. The Smart Krones provide an exact record of what the users actually heard and said. The units are fully independent of the audio lines being recorded, have no impact upon them, or any common failure modes with them. Each 2-wire audio signal connects to the Krone array using sequential, odd and even, punch-down connections. The factory default provides a 40 kΩ impedance for compatibility with ETSI analog interface standards. An alternative 600 ohm impedance is also available as a factory-fitted option. For each audio pair, an isolation link is provided for line maintenance duty. If required, an alternative link can be fitted that also provides lightning protection. The recording process is sequential, with the analog audio first being accurately digitized, before the customer's chosen codec and streaming selections are applied. For routine line tests, the Smart Krone can inject specific types of tone to any channel. The tones are configured remotely for frequency and volume, with 3 main modes of operation. Firstly, on-demand test tones. These allow the user to assess the performance of an individual line and can be controlled manually or scheduled to run at convenient times. Secondly, continuous safety tones that are used to confirm the availability of critical or emergency lines. Thirdly, the Smart Krone can also generate physical tones on lines 49 and 50 that can be used by engineers working at the Smart Krone location as a line probe. The Smart Krone also provides support for multiple power sources, including power from the network, so no extra equipment is needed in the audio cabinet. To strengthen the user's safety case, the Smart Krone hardware provides support for both single or dual redundant system architectures. Thank you for watching this Smart Krone recorder video. For more information, equipment supply and support, we can be reached using the contacts now showing on screen.